Hi friends, welcome back to Channa Tech Point. Today's session we are going to see how to download and install Python latest version in Windows 10. Go to Chrome browser, type Python, click on enter, select the first link python.org, select the downloads. Here you can see Python 3.11.2 is the latest version. Click on that Python. Download the Python 3.11.2. Python downloaded. Double click on Python exe file. Here, check the add Python exe to path. Click on customization installation. Click on next. Check the first option. Here default location added in program files, C:program files Python 11. Click on install. It will take some time to install the Python. Python installed successfully. Click on close. Now we can check the Python version in command prompt. Run as administrator. Type Python -version. Python installed. Python version is 3.11.2. Open IDLE. Here printing one value. Python program. Click on enter. It will display the string message. Open Python CMD. Here also we can print one value. Hello Python. Print the Hello Python. In this way we can download the Python latest version from the official website python.org. Thank you for watching. For more updates, please subscribe my channel.